Alright, so before this video gets started, just excuse me, like I don't have any earrings on. When I don't wear earrings, I feel naked. Like I feel like I look like a boy. So just excuse all this. This video is just really quick. Just want to talk to you guys about my 3-week update. So let's just jump into the video. Welcome back to my channel. So today I just wanted to talk a little bit more about the hair growth and scalp oil. This is 3 weeks of not washing my hair. I have never gone this long, so the fact that I am still flake free, and I'm going to show you my scalp in a little bit, is amazing. Like I have never gone this long. Let me zoom in. Come on, get all up in there. You can see like I barely have any flakes, like a very tiny one. But 3 weeks, and this is what my scalp is looking like. Like, are you serious? 3 weeks. And I don't have a bunch of flakes. Like I barely have any. Good morning. You woke up? So yeah, so that is what my hair is currently looking like, and I'm going to show you some pictures of my edges because they have started to come in nicely. And I didn't realize how bad my edges looked. So the picture that I'm going to show on the screen, actually let me look at it on my phone so I could talk about it and put it on the screen at the same time. So the first picture is what my hair looked like in October. Okay. Yeah. Let me finish this video real quick. So this is what my edges look like in October, and the picture down below was, what day did I take that? Wednesday. So that was the 9th, December 9th. Versus October. And then this next picture is my 2-week picture, so you can see that my edges definitely have come in more. You can definitely see it on the edge side, like where the side is at. Like my edges are definitely coming in. So this hair growth oil oh, you just got yourself in the video. So my hair growth the hair growth oil is working to help bring put my edges, help fill them back in. I haven't measured my hair yet because I didn't wash my hair. I'm going to go a whole nother week, so 4 weeks without washing my hair. This is unheard of unless I had box braids. And even when I had box braids, I still ended up washing my hair because my scalp would get really flaky. The fact that I am at 3 weeks right now, and I literally, like, I really don't have any flakes in my hair, is amazing. So yes, I am pushing it a whole nother week. I do not feel like washing my hair. Just because I always have to do everything at night because of her. So I'm going to push it another week, and then I will wash my hair next week, and I will give you guys, that video that I promised you, and we'll see if I gained any growth, because my normal growth rate is about 1/4 of an inch or less of hair growth in a month. So my hair grows really slow, so we'll see how it did with growing my hair. But that's pretty much it. So, oh, before I go, it's not it. So pretty much the first 2 weeks I applied it to my scalp every day. And then this last week I probably did it every other day-ish. So this last week I'll probably try to do it every day again. We'll see. If not, it'll be every other day. But that's pretty much it. So I will be back with another final video, my month update, with you guys, and I'll share again my wash day and all that jazz. So that's pretty much it for this video. You're just gonna keep getting that. You had your little tiny nap. You weren't even asleep that long. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it for this video. If you're excited about this oil, stay tuned. Again, you guys have already guessed, it is a company that me and my sisters have launched. Well, we haven't launched it just yet. We had a little minor setback, but we're still on track, and everything is going to be going up pretty soon, and you will be able to purchase this oil, and we'll have other products coming soon as well. So just stay tuned for that. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Make sure you stay positive and always smile. I will see y'all in my next video. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye, guys.